All right, folks, this is the $30 rear view backup camera installed. I have it installed just right above my license plate, and it looks great. I haven't done anything crazy with the installation. I'm just using it powered from the cigarette lighter. So there's a push button to turn it on and off as you need it. You can also install it by wiring directly to the backup lights, so that when you're in reverse, it gets power and it comes on automatically. I opted not to do that because that's a little bit more involved, and I didn't want to do anything crazy. I want a completely removable solution because my plan is to keep the van for maybe 5 years and then resell it and get a different one. So this works great for me. I haven't done any cleanup of the cabling up front yet except to tuck it under the carpet, but I'll do that. I just want to give a quick demonstration. So here it is with the camera on, and if I push the button on the cigarette lighter, it goes off immediately. This works really well. So when I push it again, it turns right back on. It doesn't take all that long to activate, and I have to say that for a $30 backup camera with a display, it looks great. It's not a high resolution screen. The colors are a little bit washed out, but again, it was a quick and easy install. I tucked everything into the carpet in the van here and then behind my sofa, and it just works. So Phil McNeil from Class B RV Group, thank you very much for the suggestion. It took me maybe 15 minutes, if that, to get the whole thing installed. So I'm super happy, and I hope those of you that are looking for a solution for an older van would consider this. I think it's a great value, and it was just super easy to get set up and installed. Anyways, enjoy. I know some of you guys are following this post, so if you're interested to see how it actually works, there it is. Later, guys.